Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Do you like apples? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Like. Apple. Orange. Banana. Strawberry. Conversation.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Do you like oranges?
Yes.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas.
Do you like strawberries?
No, I don't. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Do you like oranges?
Yes.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas.
Do you like strawberries?
No, I don't. Word quiz. Apple. Orange. Strawberry. Banana. Conversation quiz. What did Max say?
Do you like apples?
Yes. Yes, I do. What did Max say?
Do you like oranges?
Yes. No, I don't. What did Lily say?
Do you like bananas? Do you like oranges?
Yes, I like bananas. What did Max say?
Do you like strawberries?
Yes, I do. No, I don't. You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.